In the beautiful neighborhood of Point Mallard in Decatur, Alabama, the team at All American Tree Service took on the challenge at the Southward Residence. A towering Bradford pear needed to be carefully dropped and fully removed, along with all the debris. Our seasoned professionals executed the task with precision and efficiency, leaving the property clean and safe, just as we always do. No job is too big or too small for All American Tree Service. Whether you're facing a giant like the Bradford pear or need smaller trimmings, we're ready to bring our expertise to your doorstep. Don't let unwanted trees or debris take over your space. Reach out to All American Tree Service today and let's transform your landscape into a safer, more beautiful environment. Give us a call and see the difference.